project performance or project actuals archive. So we can see that in the project schedule we have now some actuals reflected, or project performance progress. And if we've made a mistake and would like to make a correction, and with the right user level access, it is possible to do that in the system as well. So you just need to go into the view performance and going into performance archive area. Let's just pick up one task, road layout. We can see there's some actuals already reflected in the project schedule. And if we go to performance archive area, we'd have access to the table that contains the performance that has been transformed into this area from the project performance input table. So, for example, we've made a mistake and we've populated some of the actuals for the road layout incorrectly. We can just select those line items for this task and right click and go delete. And once we remove those records for the particular task and go back to the activity Gantt view, you'll see that those actuals or that progress is no longer visible for that task, because we have just removed those records from the performance archive table. And if we need to populate the correct actuals for that task, we'll do the same as we did before. We'll go into the project performance input, select the performance input table, and we'll make sure that we're reflecting the correct reporting cycle dates here. And for the road layout now, we can reflect the remaining, the volume done, and we say we've done half of it only. And we go and transfer the performance data into the project like we did in the previous videos, populating the actuals or progress for our project. I'm not going to run any 3-point estimate analysis at this point in time. And then if I go back to the activity Gantt view, I can see that the actuals have now been reflected in the activity Gantt view, recorded under performance archive as well, with the new data populated. Just remember to recalculate the schedule with the progress performance reflected in project, either by simple scheduling or with resource constraint scheduling. So the actuals or performance is applied to the project schedule, and you can see your revised calculated schedule and the dates.